Welcome to another vlog. I hope you're all doing well. It is Friday morning. It is my day off. I hope you're doing well. It is a rainy day here and I have the day full of errands to do. It is right now 7:41. I have to really fix the time here in my car. It's 7:41 and I am headed to my mom's house. She has a very important doctor's appointment, so we're going to do that, and then I have to share with you guys, I can't believe that I'm doing this, but I have decided to do something I'll share with you after. And because I'm in a bit of a rush right now, I have an appointment this afternoon. I'd like to do a few things in between because my morning is taken by helping my mom, taking her to her appointment, do a few things with her, and then I'm assuming by noon I should be done, and then the afternoon on I have things to do at home. But I do have a 2 o'clock appointment, which is what I want to share with you. I finally did not forget to put my Invisalign on. I've been really bad the past few days. It's been such a crazy week, so I'm just glad it's Friday, and that's all I have for you right now. Okay, I have to go get gas. I have very low fuel and I'm not going anywhere, can't get anywhere if I don't fill up my tank. So first stop, get gas. I have been home. I just got home a few minutes ago and it is exactly 1:15. I am going to quickly change into linen pants because I have jeans on. I am eating some bread and boiling some sweet potatoes. I'm going to open a can of tuna, and I'm going to have some lunch and go for my pedicure. The weather's turning out really nice and I'm excited that I actually have time to go for a pedicure. You guys know I'm not a fan of that, but I'm happy that I'm actually going to make it. Oh my goodness, lighting is horrible. All right, let me just get some flip-flops and then go downstairs. Okay, now I can talk with a little bit of more time. It is 3:11 to be exact, and my goodness, I have not vlogged much. I've been so busy. I vlogged a little bit upstairs in my room. You guys, so what I wanted to share with you was, most of you know, if you've been here for a while, that I have never been a person to get pedicures. I just never felt comfortable with people touching my feet and them having to do that. I don't know. But I've decided to just let that go and try and go for pedicures, to have some like time for me, to do things for myself. And you guys, I went to this new place that a coworker recommended, and I loved it. I really, really did. I booked to go back. I felt so bad because, I mean, I think my feet were bad. She says no, she's seen worse. So she said it wasn't bad, but I felt so bad. Anyway, I'm going back 2 more times before our vacation trip, and to get my feet all nice and smooth. And this way I'm going to start keeping up and go for a pedicure, and I'm going to start doing my nails. I don't know, like I said, I always felt like if I can do them at home, why waste the money? When it comes to my hands, the feet was just, I never liked people touching my feet. I still am not like 100% comfortable, but the technician was so nice and made me feel so comfortable. I really, really enjoyed this this time around, so I'm really happy. But I feel like I've been so busy, you know, with working and helping my mom And of course I have, you know, a household to run, and it does not matter how much help I can get, I still am very busy. So, and I really love my nails done, so that's what I decided to do. I decided to pamper myself and take myself for pedicures, and I'm going to also now try to get my nails done. So I booked an appointment a week from today to go for my nails, so we'll do that. And I don't know, I'll keep you guys in touch. I'll keep you guys updated at how I'm doing. So far, my gosh, I'm so happy how my feet look. So happy. So anyway, but now time to go inside, time to have a cup of coffee with something, the custard, my gosh, cupcake. It's like, it's called natas, pastéis natas. Pastéis, it's called pastéis de natas, or pastéis de nata. I don't know. If you're Portuguese, you'll know. Correct me. So I'm going to have that with a cup of coffee, take a little break, because it's been running, I've been running around, like, it's been a busy day. So, all right, let me go inside, get my coffee going, and then after taking a little break, I'm going to clean the kitchen. I have dishes to unload from the dishwasher, laundry to do. So, all right. I feel like I can't like catch a break. I forgot to go by the vet's office and pick up the kitty's resolution. Is it resolution? I think it is. The tick and fleas medicine. So I need to go before they close, because I need to do that on them. And I had my coffee. I accidentally made stronger coffee, and I am like a bit too hyper, and I'm feeling it. So I did not get to do anything in the house because I made my coffee. Yes, I'm putting my big glasses on. So I'm just going by the vet's office, pick that up, and then come back home, and hopefully I now stay in. So not much of any fun content for you, but hopefully this weekend. I was going to do a day in the life, but no, this is another, just a regular vlog. So I already went to the vet's office. I just left the vet's office and I got everything for the kitties. Oh my gosh, the sun is so bad. And oh, here we go. It's a little better. Not really. But I decided to just get my groceries done right now. Since I'm out, I might as well do it, and then tomorrow just focus on cleaning the house. My house needs cleaning, and my husband's home tomorrow, so together we can just tackle it and get it done. But since I'm here, I might as well just get our groceries, because I need milk and water at home, and I just don't want to spend Friday night not having certain things at home. So, and plus I want to see if they have not ravioli. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm not going to say it to make it for tonight, but anyway. All right, let me go inside, get some groceries. I'm sure this place is going to be probably busy. So, all right. It is the following morning, and I just finished getting ready. I just need to put a little bit of lip gloss on. It is 9:30, and I have so much to do in this house. My husband is actually going to be working outside, finishing the shed. It just needs to be finished up with electricity and all that. So he's going to be outside doing work outside while I take care of the inside of the house. But there's just so much to do. I've already started a load of laundry. I am going to apply a little bit of lip gloss on my lips so my lips are not this dry. I have my cup of water already. I need to really hydrate myself today because the past few days I haven't been doing well with that. It looks so nice out. The temperatures are supposed to be in the higher 50s or upper 50s, and I'd like to see if I get to vacuum my car and wash my car. It's just so bad because of the excuse me, the snow we've had previously, the salt, all of that. But before I do that, I need to take care of my seeds, my veggies that I'm planting. I need to transfer them from the little boxes to a bigger pots. So I'm going to see if I can save some of them because I'm not doing too well with them. So that's going to be my first thing to do. And then I will jump right into cleaning the kitchen. For some reason, if I start in the kitchen, get it cleaned, the rest is easy to tackle. So those are the few things I need to do. I'm watching Pearl scratching the mirror, trying to catch herself. Let me see if I can show you guys. Look at her. I really need to, oh my goodness, lighting is so bad. I need to tie my hair because we all know I cannot work with my hair down. Put some earrings on. What do you guys think about this? One of my sons gave me this for Christmas. Isn't it so cute? So I keep it here. Sometimes I will put like pearls over it because it's on around mirrored tray where I keep most of my jewelry, which is something that I also need to tackle. I apologize for the lighting. My goodness, I look so she's so cute. I can't. And the sun is shining through. I love opening my blinds when it is a gorgeous day or even just on a daily basis, but when it's like this, it's beautiful. Hopefully I get to open the windows a little bit today, but all right, let's get this day going. I'm sorry for the lighting. Let me see if I can turn on a light. Oh, that's not. Will that do anything? Oh, wait a minute. Is that better now? Anyway, sorry for the lighting, but oh, actually, why didn't the light on the driveway go on? Anyway, it is 7:22. I have not vlogged all day. I just got so busy tackling things in the house that needed like my attention, and I haven't had the chance to do it. Like my coffee bar, I made some changes to it, and I'm not done yet. There's just been things in the house that I've been wanting to do and finally did it. But then I had to leave around 4:30 because I had to go to the pharmacy, pick up medication, stop at the grocery store, go help my mom and bring things that she needed. So it is right now, did I say the time? It is right now 7:23, and I just pulled up to my driveway and I'm going to go inside. I'm tired. And my husband worked outside all day too, doing things that needed to get done, finished up with the shed. Last year he built a shed, and some things needed to be done. I think I mentioned here, but I still need to wash our sheets. I We're switching. Usually for the winter we have flannel sheets, but it's starting to get warm, very, very little warm, and it's time to switch to like spring summer sheets. But I like to rinse them before putting in our bed, so I'm still going to do that, but I need a shower. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. I'm sorry I did not vlog because I was just like on a roll getting things done. And oh, I took my seedlings outside and I need to bring them in. I gotta go. Good morning. It is Sunday morning. I don't even know what time. 7:35. I slept until a little bit after 7, like probably until 20 minutes ago. Couldn't believe I slept to sleep, but I woke up at 3 and then went back to sleep. The family is still asleep. It is a beautiful day. As you saw, I took a clip of the sun on the window and through the window, and outside the birds. Oh, spring is definitely here, and it feels like it. I had a good night's sleep. I feel good, re-energized. It's going to be a day of finishing my things. I need to finish laundry and then steam all these floors, wash the bathrooms. So that's all I need to do for today. I plan to go to Bath and Body Works later. I need hand soaps, and my family and I love their hand soaps. So I'll be going there. I'll probably do a shop with me. I'll take you with me where I'm going today, let you know where I'm going, and then do a separate video for a shop with me. I don't know, but we'll see. Anyway, but that's what's going on. For lunch today, I plan on making beef stew. Oh, I'm so excited for some beef stew. Probably make some chicken fingers, and you guys know Sundays I always make separate meal, multiple meals. And then I might do maybe a rice pudding for dessert this afternoon. We'll see. But I have I almost spilled my full cup of coffee. I'm going to sit on the couch, have my coffee. That's my routine. And then I have bagels. I'm trying to put this down without spilling. I have some bagels, so I'll probably have a bagel. But by then the family is already up, and I have to do their litters. Either my husband and I will do them. We have to change all the litters and got the boxes. Bought some caffeine yesterday. So feeling good. I also will show you the patio set we ended up going with, and I was supposed to show you our other options, but I'm happy we went with this one, and so I'm excited to when it arrives this week. And I think before we assemble it, we will power wash the deck. That's what we'll do. But that's probably for next weekend. I do need to edit a video, so I'm going, because I skipped last week, not posting last week. I'm ahead, so I'm not as filming, editing, and uploading. So the video that's going to be uploaded tonight, which is Sunday, it will be from last weekend. So not bad, not bad. I'm ready for the day. No makeup on today, and this is my outfit for today. I have leggings. These are so old, although I found a new brand and I'm going to purchase one and see if I like him, because this brand no longer is at Target, and or they just don't make these any longer, and these are so comfortable and not see-through. Are the leggings that I like. So I just put my socks on, excuse me, one of my favorite sweaters, and a tank top. I will put a little necklace on. I put my earrings on, and I'm going to pull my hair back with one of these. And yesterday I used the dry bar brush, and I've shared here before, but I had said I would do a tutorial. I never did. I used it last night, and it feels so soft and just no curls this time. But I'm going to pull it back and go downstairs. Let me turn you guys around. I'm going to go downstairs, start lunch. It's around 10 o'clock, actually 10:15, and I'm going to start the beef stew, and then I'm also making carrot soup, pureed carrot soup. I used to make this all the time with my kids growing up. I have so much carrots. My father had so many at home, and so it wouldn't go to waste. He gave me some, and I don't want to waste them either. So I'll show you a bit of what I make. I throw any veggies I have in there, and then I blend it and then boil it with a little bit of olive oil and more salt if it needs it. And I also put very tiny pasta in. It's so good. It's a good healthy. I think it's healthy because of the veggies and soup, and you can bring it to work. But anyway, I love to eat it with bread, which then it turns out that it's not so healthy. So I'm going downstairs, start lunch, and at the same time I'm going to start a load of laundry and then just get this day going. That's the brush I was talking about, the dry bar brush, and that's what I used. And it took me about 40 minutes, and my hair was, I had just washed my hair. It took me about 40 minutes, and my hair was blow dried. There's some areas that are still wavy, but as you can see, let me see, there are some areas that are still a bit wavy. I was so tired already, so but for the most part, this side is perfect, and this one needs a little bit, but I don't mind a natural wave like that, so all good. Now time to go downstairs.
Extremely happy, got no one to stick around.
It is right now 3:45, and I am going to now step out, go get some hand soaps for the house at Bath and Body Works, and probably go to Home Goods, and I don't know what other store I'll go to. I'm going to attempt to do a shop with me and show you guys what's up there, as far as even myself, to see the spring stuff, and it'll just be good. It'll be good for me to get out for a bit. I cooked 3 meals. You guys know the Sunday the Sunday rule for me, and it feels good. I made some monkey bread. We had with some ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and now it's time to go and have a little bit of me time. Even if I don't get anything at Home Goods, it'll be fun to just look around and see what's out there, because I don't even know what's out there. So I will catch up with you guys. Oh, and I also added the video to upload today almost until the end. I'm almost done, so when I come back I can finish it and try to upload that for you. So very productive Sunday. It is the following morning, and Monday morning, and I did not finish vlogging yesterday. I don't even know where I left you guys. I had to finish editing the video that I uploaded yesterday, and then I did a mini shop with me at Home Goods, and then did a little bit of more shopping, and then I have everything is still in the bags to do a little haul for you. And so it was just a busy day yesterday, but I accomplished everything. So it felt good. I mean, there's always more to do, but what I really wanted to get done, it got done. So I was very content. I was even more happier that I was was able to upload a video yesterday. Now it is 7:17. I am going to head to work, and my friends, I cannot wait to upload. By now you've already seen, I'm hoping, seen the haul of things that I bought on the shopping, little shopping trip I took to an outlet area near here, and I finally found the Milani nude lipstick that I have loved and had like used all of my last one, and I could not find it at the local drugstores, but Ulta had it, and it was the only one there. I lucked out. I don't know, it's just so moisturizing, and I don't know, it's just a nice, simple, classy look if you like nudes. All right, I am going to head to work. I have changed bags to this one that has my initials that I got as a gift, I think last Mother's Day, I think it was. So I switched the bags to give my Louis Vuitton a break, and then I have my lunch bag right here with my cup, and I feel pretty organized. I'm bringing my planner. I do need to plan a bit because it's going to be a very busy April, at least for my days off, and I need to stay organized. So, and then organize my videos, because I'd like to try to upload one on Wednesdays, Sundays, and Wednesdays. The Wednesday one, more like if I can get a vlog, and that's fine, but I want to do like I did the shop with me hauls. I'd like to add day in the life, which is a vlog, but kind of like try to change up a little bit on Wednesdays if I can, but if not, then I'll do a day in the life. But my goal is to stick to 2 videos a week, and then hope I can you know, inspire you in some way, show you new things, or show you things that you haven't seen, because that's how I learn from other YouTubers. And it's just a place to come to like distract and relax for a bit. So that's how I find my downtime, is an unwind. Unwind is the word that I was looking for. Unwind a little, watch a little bit of YouTube videos, and I hope this is a place that you find that you can come to. Another video I'd like to do is, YouTube has been having a lot of changes, but these changes will not affect my channel. So I want to do a quick video on that. So no worries if you heard about the changes, and a lot of creators are leaving YouTube. I'm not leaving, at least unless it ends, but other than that, I'm not planning to leave. This is a hobby of mine. I don't use this as an income source for me. I enjoy doing this. It's like therapy. So it really, I enjoy it. So it's like therapy for me, believe it or not. Even though I haven't met you guys, even though I haven't met you, it's like having friends. So all right, time to head to work. 7:21, and you guys, I have still yet to change my clock in my car. So all right, so I get to work and I have these lights show up. I have low fuel and I have low tire pressure, so I hope that my tire lasts until the end of the day. If not, it's not going to be a nice ending to a Monday, but let's keep fingers crossed that it will all work out.